How to turn on or turn off firewall on Windows PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn off or turn on the firewall on Windows PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Windows security on your system. So for that, at the bottom of your screen in the source field you'll have to search for Windows security. Alright, so after you find it, click on open. Okay, so after you open the Windows security, you'll get such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the options like firewall and network. So from here, just tap on the option firewall and network protection. Okay, so from this section, you can as usual see the options like firewall and network protection. And from this section, you'll have to go the options like public network. So it is now active. So simply click on it. Alright, so from this section you can easily find options like Microsoft Defender Firewall, so you can simply turn it on and turn it off from here. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.